Hi, I'm really excited. My second box from Evolve Art Course came today, and I'm in the middle of block 2. So there are 4 blocks in the foundation series. Block 1 is basically grayscale painting. Block 2 is drawing and making still lives, and then painting your own still lives. Block 3 and 4, that's what this box will cover. So I'm going to open this and kind of show you what's in it. And I am really excited to get this. It took a little while to get here, I think because of the snow. And I'm really hoping that the oil paint is okay. It should be. It wasn't out in a truck very long. So I'm turning my sound up because I know my voice is not real strong. Okay, so there we go. And we got it open. This weighs 9 pounds. It's a beautiful box. So it's protected. I like these. Sometimes I keep them and I put them under other things. Wow. More brushes. Yay. I haven't used all of the brushes from the first box, but these are always a welcome sight. I did order some Simply Simon brushes, and they're basically a white brush, kind of like that, but they're also great. They're suggested if you can't find these, but these are great. And these are basically the same ones that came the last time. There's some size 2s, some size 6s, some size 10s. There's like 2 10s, 2 2s, and then the rest are 6s. Very nice. I will put those away. Then we have some other new brushes that we haven't used before, and these are, they're just signature brushes, probably. This is another 2. Another 2 signature chisels, I guess. No, they're not chisels. I don't know what you call these. And then a couple fan brushes, 2 sizes. We have a size, it doesn't really say the size on the fan brushes. That's okay. They are beautiful brushes. And then, of course, we get into the paints. We have a huge bottle of, I think it's white. I am having a hard time getting that open. Yep, it's titanium white. Oh, that's going to be fun. Because right now we're just using 4 values of grayscale, and the lightest grayscale is like a beige, not a beige, but it's not completely white. You've probably seen it in my last video, so there's that. And then we have 4 boxes of colors. So we have a burnt, oh, that's an English red, a burnt umber, a Mars black. That's Evolve set 4 of 4. This is 3 of 4. So we have yellow green, Naples yellow, and 2 Naples yellows. Okay, oops. And then we have set 2 of 4, and this is permanent green, deep green, light blue, ultramarine blue. I'm really excited to get into color. I used to paint portraits in high school and horses and things, and I'm really anxious to get back into doing portraits. So this is yellow light, red light, and dark lake deep red. I guess it is lake deep extra. These are the smaller bottles. I don't know what size they are. Doesn't really say. Doesn't matter. I'm just excited to get colored paints. So we have paints, and then we have more of that fun stuff. We have our gray tone palettes. And, oh, we have some color. How fun. Oh, look at that. Let's look at these. This is going to be so much fun. So we have, and it looks like we have black and whites of the same thing. So we have a pot, a mushroom, oh fun, apples, that one's a little stuck, oh, mushroom. We did these, a lot of these are from black and whites too, pots. Oh, wow. Oh, fun. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's going to be fun to paint. Oh, and again, with the pin that we have to do each individual color when we make our gradients. We have to do each individual color separately. And then the dolphins. Oh, those are pretty. I like the dolphins. Okay, those are our color pages. And then we have the black and whites. Oh, nice. And I'm going to just assume that they're the same as the color, only in black and white. Oh, wow. More black and whites. Let's look at these. And then we have some grayscale pictures. Oh, wow, look. Oh, a cup. Pumpkin. We did the pumpkin once. Oh, how fun. And there are 20 of these. And then also we have the gray scale rather than just color. And, oh, how fun. Studio Gray. It's a gray toned canvas. Oh, that's going to be pretty fun. Yay! And then, of course, we have our Frederick. We have 2 of these. And my box. I like these boxes. They're very nice boxes. So we have 2 of the Fredericks. We have a toned gray. And I know that's really shiny and weird. I'm trying to get it out of the way so it doesn't. There we go. So then we have these. And we have these. And we have our palette. And we have all of our paint. Oh, very fun. And our white. And then we, of course, we have our brushes. So, this will be block 3 and 4. What fun. Oh my goodness. That is going to be really fun. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. I will talk to you again. Bye-bye.